Realme has officially announced that the Realme 14 Pro series is set to launch in India on January 16th. With the Realme 14 Pro 5G and Realme 14 Pro Plus 5G, they will ship with IP66, IP68, and IP69 certifications. Realme 14 Pro series features industry-first, advanced thermochromic pigments that react to temperature fluctuations. When the temperature hits below 16 degrees, the color of the back shifts from pearl white to vibrant blue and vice versa. Realme 14 Pro Plus will have a quad-curve 93.8% screen-to-body ratio with 120 Hz refresh rate. The screen also sports 3840 Hz PWM dimming and has a 1.5K resolution. The Realme 14 Pro Plus will feature a triple camera and multiple LED flash modules. The Realme 14 Pro Plus will feature a Sony IMX8 9650 megapixel main camera, an 8 megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a Sony IMX8 8250 megapixel periscope telephoto lens up to 120x super zoom, and 32 megapixel front camera. Realme 14 Pro Plus powered by Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 chipset and will bring Realme UI 6.0. The Realme 14 Pro 5G series will pack 6000 mAh batteries. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.